good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to our channel, Home Sweet Home Africa, Ghana. We are about to go to the Chenku, Dodowa waterfalls. So I want you guys to follow us along, and I'm going to take you so you can see this beautiful waterfalls. These bridges. You gonna go for me there?
The water flowing from the waterfalls.
This is the bridge. You have to cross this little bridge to get there.
You see the water flowing. The water's coming from the waterfalls, flowing through here, going down to the Dodowa town. This is the bridge that we're crossing to get there.